Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. I am revisiting the You Are Remarkable stamp set this week. On this card, I'm using the Lasting Linen background stamp. And throughout the week, I'll be using the Fabulous Sayings, which is the item of the month for January. This is a really simple masculine type happy birthday card. I've used some of the metallic gems on it. I'm going to change it up and make it more of a feminine card this time round. I've stamped and cut out some of the flowers in Pretty in Pink and stamped the centers with the soft sea foam. I'm going to start by inking up my stamp, my Lasting Linen background stamp. And I am going to stamp my 5 1/4 by 4 piece of basic white to create the background. You can also do this if you want to create a more detailed background. You can do all your stamping and then run it through a embossing folder. Sorry, I'm thinking while I'm talking, and that's never a good thing. Okay, so I'm going to place this down. If you have a Stamparatus or a stamp positioner tool, you can use this as well. I'm using the large block. Don't mind this. I made a mistake when I was doing this before. I ended up rocking my stamp and getting a line on it that I didn't think I could cover. So the reason I picked it up like that and did all of the pressing down on it was to make sure that I had good coverage and there weren't any gaps in the coverage. So I'm going to take the Happy Birthday from the Fabulous Sayings set, and I'm going to stamp it at the bottom here. And this one, just kind of line it up how you think it should go. It's the way the script is, it makes it a little difficult to line it up. And I tried lining it up different ways, and now I'm just putting it down where I think it should go. Now, you can still see a little bit of the stamping from the other side, so I made sure that side was up. You can always get another piece of 5 1/4 by 4 if you want. This is the Lost Lagoon, and I'm just stamping this down like this, kind of varying the height a little bit of the leaves coming down like this. And I think I'm trying to decide if I should do another set of leaves up the side, but I think that might make it just a little bit too busy. So let's go ahead and mount this on our card base. Now, this is a tent fold. There's not a lot of weight on the front of this, so it should be all right. It won't collapse. Otherwise, you could do a side opening landscape card. So I'm just going to attach this down like this. So there we go, that's our card. And then I've put dimensionals on the back of these, but I just need to decide how I'm going to place them here. Maybe I'll tuck one down here next to the Happy Birthday and then have the other ones at the top here. Kind of in a bit of an arc. So yeah, I like that. So these are dimensionalized, so I'm just going to pop them down. Pop one here like this. And then one here like this. Just around that Happy Birthday. And then I've got the Pretty in Pink and Strawberry Slush sparkle gems here, and I'm just going to pop them around. I'm just using the small ones like this. Just like I say, just popping them around just to add a little bit of interest. And I'm going to pop another one just down by the Happy Birthday, just to kind of bring the whole thing together. So there we go. So that is our first card for the week using the You Are Remarkable set with the Lasting Linen and the Fabulous Sayings stamp set. So this again is just a super simple one. This is it just amped up just a little bit more. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.